Hi, I'm Brandon.
And I'm Kristin, and we're from Whiskey Tango Farms.
Today we're going to plant some potatoes, onions, corn, carrots. We're finally able to work the ground. The ground's no longer wet, frozen, and whatnot. So we're finally able to get started with some potatoes. We're doing potatoes first, then some onions, and then corn and carrots. So,
all the things.
At least that's what's going in this field. Eventually we are doing some watermelons and some other squashes and stuff to grow in with things, but today is potatoes and onions first.
Here we go.
So we're gonna cut up the potatoes to get the best use out of our potatoes and extend them out. So I'm just gonna go around and cut chunks out where the eyes are sticking out. So I mean, we have some bunches. We'll probably get like 3 maybe out of this one. So just go along here and kind of cut the chunks. So I don't see any on this side. There's kind of a start of that one. We'll try to save it, but that would be it. We might be able to probably get another one out of this right there. So those are our chunks. We're going to continue to cut them up like this and plop them in the ground every foot or so, and then bury them, and then we'll have our rows. I don't have string.
Last one. Put one.
So you got 4 rows of potatoes here?
Yeah. I don't think we have quite enough room. But I think I'm gonna put some over in my other garden by the river too.
Well, you can put some in those 5 rows too. Because those were made for potatoes.
Okay.
And onions. So we got all the potatoes and onions planted. I ended up doing, I believe, 4.5-ish rows of potatoes and about 4 rows of onions. So next we're gonna do is I'm gonna take some fertilizer on top and sprinkle on top of the rows, some fertilizer, and then I think that's it for tonight. We're gonna plant the carrots and corn tomorrow.
Last year, me and Kristin, we had to actually plant the seeds, some of the corn seeds. We had it up.
And the seeds are going away, so they're going somewhere.
So they're planting?
Well, they're coming out. Yep, I guess. Maybe.
So there's less seeds.
Is there? I mean, I think there is.
Oh yeah, there's less seeds.
Or am I just assuming?
Nope. Do another row.
Like divot maybe? Here?
Yeah, I'd do right there.
Alright, you can give me my sunglasses back now that I can relax.
Yeah, hand Mom her sunglasses.
I want to pour it. You think I can pour it?
What kind of seeds are these?
Berlicum, 2 carrot seeds.
They're berlicum seeds.
Yeah.
That means when they're frozen, you lick them.
They're so good looking, you want to lick them?
I guess.
The
So they're just regular
orange carrots.
Yep. And then I have another orange one called like little fingerlings or something like that. And then I got some amarillo, which is just yellow, and some cosmic purple, which to me that's like a maroon on the outside, and then like you cut into the purple.
More seeds in here yet?
Yep, I'll probably do one more row. I think they're not really going. Lots of rabbit poop. Alright, so we got all of the potatoes in over here. We have 4 rows of potatoes over here, and then we have another row going over here. And then 4 rows of onions. I forgot how many rows of carrots.
5 or 6.
5 or 6 rows of carrots with different varieties. I had 2 different kinds of orange carrots, some yellow carrots and purple carrots, and I actually ended up mixing those 2 together because I use the earthway, and when there's not very many seeds in there, they don't seem to really come out. There's not enough weight, so I just mixed the purple and the yellow together and put those all in one. We got all of the corn planted. We got 2,000 plants or seeds of corn planted.
Last year we planted 26 or 2,700
also
seeds.
It's about the same, a little bit less. Yeah. But we had some issues with watering last year too, so it'll probably equate to be about the same, I would imagine. I put in, we had a little bit of room left in the field because we did expand it a little bit this year. So I put in some watermelons. I'm doing pumpkins now. We did some like extra large ones that the kids wanted. I just did 2 of those.
Giant pumpkins.
They're called giant extra large.
To get like 100 or 150 pound pumpkins.
They're called prize winner, so we'll see. I gave those a lot of space. And then I planted 4 smaller, well, those just said large on the package, white pumpkins, which would be cool because I have never seen a large white pumpkin, so we'll see. And right now I'm doing some of those greenish pumpkins, I don't know how you pronounce it, if it's Jarradale or Haradale maybe. They're like a greenish, bluish green squash pumpkin thing. I also have some sunflowers planted along the fence, they are supposed to get to be like 15 feet and they need support. So I figured as they grow up, I can kind of tie them to the fence. And then I was just talking to Brandon, actually, because all of these pumpkins and squash and watermelon are creepy crawly type plants, I think I'm gonna sprinkle a bunch of sunflowers in here too, because those will shoot up and be real tall, and the pumpkins can kind of do their thing on the ground, and I figure that's really good use of space and some companion planting. So I bought way too many sunflower seeds this year because I bought some. I'm like, oh, these ones are pretty, and then I bought more, and I kind of forgot I had already had some. So I have a lot of sunflowers. So I figured this would be a good place to put those.
I also wanted to plant them along the green area back there.
Yes, I have plenty for that too. So we'll have to dig some holes or till that and get those in. But that'll be really pretty along the river too. And I have them organized by height and everything, so I'm super excited. But yeah, I'm gonna get these put in the ground and put in a few of my sunflowers, and we'll do some updates along the way. But thanks for watching.